Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear BS students. In this video recording, I will be talking about a quiz which I administered to BS students. So here there are few points which I'll try to discuss, because quiz are written test. They also provide a very good platform to teach concepts. So first of all, let me take you to question number 1. Like here there is a question: English spelling system uses letters of alphabet. So let me explain that English spelling system uses 26 letters of alphabet. So options are given like 44, 20, 24. So actual 24 are phonemes or sounds, 20 are vowel sounds, and 24 are consonant sounds. So when we talk about letters of alphabet, so it means printing symbols, and they are 26. Okay, second question is: pronunciation of English words is based on spelling system, whether it is true or false. So pronunciation of English words is not based upon spelling system. So this statement is incorrect. So we are going to circle false. So what is English pronunciation system based upon? English pronunciation system is not based upon spelling system, because let's say here's a word P-I-Z-Z-A. So if we try to pronounce it the way it is written, it becomes pizza. But we know that it is not pizza, it is pizza. So we write it like this. This is phonetic transcription, pizza. So here is its transcription. So there are many examples which I can give. Like here's a word that says chair, C-H-A-I-R, chair. So this is cha sound, cha, like this. When we say headache, headache, A-C-H-E, here again we have CH, but it gives us the sound like this, kh, kh sound. In English we write it like this, kh, headache. And here is another spelling, and let's say C-H-I-C. So this word is pronounced, it's I think a French word. It is pronounced as chic, like this, chic, chic. Okay, so it gives us the sound of Urdu sha. It means that in spelling system, this arrangement of letters can give us this sound sh, or it can give us this sound k, and it can give us this sound, affricate sound, ch. So English pronunciation system is not based upon spelling system. There is no one-to-one relationship between printed symbols, that is letters of alphabet, and sounds of English, that is pronunciation or phonemes. Yes, it is correct. I just demonstrated that there is no one-to-one relationship. Sometimes it does have, like spelling system is vet, and we also pronounce it vet. But we can't say that it is entirely the same. So whenever there, like here's a spelling system, T-O-M-B. Now it is not pronounced the way it is written. We pronounce it tomb, like this, tomb. I'm writing on the screen using my index finger. So that's why when I try to write sometime it presents difficulty for me. Okay, so it is tomb. So this is not pronounced. Anyhow, we can say safely that English, there is no one-to-one relationship between printed symbols and sounds of English. Sounds are 44 and printed symbols are 26. So how can there be one-to-one relationship? Sounds are greater in number, and letters of alphabet, they are lesser in number. So yes, there cannot be any one-to-one relationship. Okay, the word cassette has 8 letters of alphabet but only sounds. So yes, let's say when we write it like this, CASSETTE. So it is yes, when we say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, so there are 8 letters of alphabet. But when we talk about sounds, so let's see how many sounds. Cassette, cassette. So there are 2 syllables, cassette. Here is the stress mark. So English people place the stress in this word on the second syllable. Cassette, cassette. Consonant, vowel, consonant, and a vowel, and then again consonant. So there are 5 sounds. So the correct answer will be 5. Okay. Now here is to, try to figure out the sounds. Sounds mean phonemes in the following words. Book. Book has got 4 letters. Letters mean the spelling system, as we can see here. And sounds are 3. How? We write it like this, book. So yes, there are 3 sounds, consonant, nucleus or vowel, and then we have consonant. What about this? Wednesday. So letters are given, but we write it like this, Wednesday, day. So we can see 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So this is a diphthongal sound. So there are how many sounds? 6. Sounds are 6. Let me write it 6. Now knowledge. Knowledge has got 9 letters, but see the sounds. No, ledge, ledge. So it becomes like 1 2 3 4 5. This is double symbol, but this gives us only one sound. This is known in Urdu. Urdu equivalent is like this, ja. Knowledge, knowledge. How many sounds? 5 sounds. Okay, here we will write 5. Now the word cat. Yes, this is spelling system, C-A-T. So letter is C, but sound is k, 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 C-A-T, cat. But k, k, cat, k, k, cat. This is modern phonics system. Like we also introduce our learners, our children, the shape of the letters. Shape of the letter is C. We say C. C is shape or letter, but the sound is K. So both are taught in schools. Like we say C for cat, K, K, cat. Like let's see here. This is modern way of teaching phonics. Like we say C for cat, C for cat, but we say K, K, cat, K, K, cat. Okay. Now here this THIS, this letters 1 2 3 4. Let's count the sounds. This 3 sounds. This is the symbol of dental sound, dental English sound. The this consonant, consonant, and a vowel sound. 3 sounds. And here's the word pizza. So already explained. Okay, now here we go to regular alphabet. Regular alphabet consists of symbols, while phonetic alphabet consists of phonetic symbols. So regular alphabet mean the alphabet, writing alphabet, which consists of 26 letters. Okay, A to Z, A to Z, yeah, A to Z. And while phonetic alphabet that relates to phones or phonemes, that consist of, this is also known as speaking or pronunciation system. It consists of 44 phonetic symbols, which are also known as IPA. International Phonetic Alphabet. Okay, then we have voice box is also called larynx. Yes, it is correct. The outer and projected part of the voice box is called, okay, it is called Adam apple. It is called Adam apple. So here we will write Adam apple. Adam apple. So there are three names. Inside we call it larynx or voice box, and outer side is projected part is known as Adam apple. So vocal cords are present in, they are present in larynx. They are present in larynx. Larynx, larynx. And here is one vocal cord, here is another vocal cord. So these vocal cords are inside the larynx, but the space between these vocal cords, this space is known as glottis. Glottis. Okay, vocal cords are present in, okay. Write down the names of 4 schools of linguistics. So this question is related to introduction to linguistics, so I leave it here. So because I just I'm trying to discuss only questions related to phonetics and phonology, which I'm teaching in semester 4. So this is my course I'm teaching. Okay, by the way, schools of linguistics are historicism. This is known as historical linguistics. Then we have when it developed from historicism, then it came to linguists or structuralism. After historical linguistics, the another school historicism, and then structuralism. Then we further go into this sociolinguistic school. Then in between we also have pure linguistic schools known as generativism, and then we move into modern schools. Okay, write down the branches of microlinguistics. So these are quite clear: phonetics and phonology, morphology and syntax, and semantics. Branches of macrolinguistics, there are many: sociolinguistics, psycholinguistics, computational linguistics, okay, pragmatics. Then we have forensic linguistics, then we have clinical linguistics and discourse analysis. There are many branches of these. Again, these two questions relate to introduction to linguistics. Okay, write down the names of speech organs or articulators. Yes, lips, we have lips, okay, they are articulators. Teeth, they are articulators. Mouth, upper part of the mouth, alveolar ridge, even tongue is articulator. Then we have back of the mouth. So how many phonemes are there in the word cassette? So here they are asking about phonemes. So the word cassette has these phonemes. Cassette, 5 phonemes. Okay, so the correct answer is 5. Okay, phonetically transcribe the word wood. So it is phonemically transcribed as like this: wood. So this minimum transcription is known as phonemic. Phonetic transcription is very broad. So there are 2 types of transcription. One is phonemic, in which we just mentioned phonemes. This is narrow transcription, and there is a there is a broader transcription. This is phonemic is broader transcription. So when we say phonetic transcription, it is narrow transcription. Narrow mean detailed. We also mention allophonic variation. We also mention Lannis and Fortis differences. Okay, and in phonemic we just give the phonemes. So now a syllable must have only one vowel sound in it. Yes, it is true. Because the one vowel sound in a syllable acts as a nucleus. So if there are two vowel sounds, it means there will be two syllables. Okay. We cannot pronounce whole words. We have to break them into parts for speaking. Each such part is called a syllable. Each such part is called a syllable. Okay, now let's go to the next question. A syllable can be a single sound or a group or set of sound. Yes, it is true. Let's say there's a sentence, a book a book of let's say a book of jokes, a book of jokes. Now see, it is word, this is a word, it's a word. Now when we say a, this is a syllable. Book, it's a syllable. A book of, we write it like this, of. A book of, okay, let's say jokes. A book of animals, let's say a book on animals. So see, this is only one vowel sound. We write it like this, a. So yes, a syllable can consist of one phoneme. Okay, but when it is a one phoneme, then it must be a vowel sound. Okay, a syllable can be a single sound. If it is a single sound, it must always be a vowel sound. Okay, or a group or of sounds. Okay, now let's quickly wrap it up because video is becoming larger. Pronounce the following words and try to figure out how many syllables each word has. Okay, let's pronounce. Here's a word, hotel. Hotel. So we have to figure out a number of syllables. Okay, let's pronounce it, hotel. So see, just put the palm of the hand in front of your lips. So this is one way to find out syllables. We say hotel. So we feel the puff of air against the palm twice. So it means hotel. Our second thing is that we should put our hand underneath our jaw, close to the chin, and try to pronounce the word hotel. Hotel. Our jaw moves downward twice. This is second way to find out the syllables. And the third way is to transcribe it like this, hotel. Hotel. So here we can see, this one, this is a diphthong, two sound, and then this is a syllabic consonant. So we say two syllables here, one, two. There are two vowel sounds here. So hotel, it has got two syllables here. Let me write it, two. Now system, let me transcribe, system, it can be like this or it can be like this, system, like this, system. Okay, so system, it means there are two syllables, here. Okay, cricket. When we say cricket, like this, cricket, this is shva. Cricket, this is one vowel sound and this is another vowel sound. Now see the pronunciation of vowel. Now it sometimes we will pronounce as vowel, like Urdu vowel. It is not vowel, it is vowel, and when we pronounce it quickly, it becomes vowel. As a crude device, we can say it is like this, wall. So this word is vowels of English, but practically it is vowels. Okay. Now the last one is booklet. So it's quite clear. Book, see, book, let, booklet. So two syllables. So here is the boundary, syllable boundary. Okay, so the last quiz on this page is a syllable has three parts. So there are three parts like onset, then in the center we have nucleus, and at the end we have coda. Okay, thank you very much for listening to this short tutorial, sorry, video quiz. And on this page I have also few more quizzes, so in the next video I'm going to discuss these quizzes. So I'm going to just put an end to this recording, and this way inshallah we will be talking about phonetics and phonology, and we will be having a kind of refresher course. Thank you very much.